is absolutely fantastic bowling. Not so much this delivery as the first one. That's what caused the worries. Got the ball to swing away, and then this one just held its line. Coming in as well a little bit. Sehwag just not up to the task. Terrific. Unbelievable beginning for Pakistan, and this youngster is struck again. The danger of Sehwag gone for 4. India 8 for 2.
Oh, bowled him with a brilliant delivery. He's done it again. Would you believe it? It's Mohammad Asif who knocks the middle stump over. And with that middle stump, also dents Indian hopes.
This kid is a special bowler. The way he's released the ball, it's nipped back again, and it's knocked him over again. Laxman's got no idea how to play. Look how far that stumps. 3 for 3.
Got him. Kept perhaps a bit low, but that's the end of Sachin Tendulkar.
Well. 3 top-order batsmen all bowled. Mohammad Asif is on fire. Pakistan want to make a meal of it just today. Want to end it now. They're in a hurry. On the scene, didn't do very much, did keep a little low. But maybe he should have been on the front foot. We'll just take a look when we come back. But Sachin Tendulkar gone. India in deep trouble. 74 for 4, 26 for Tendulkar.